Once upon a time, in a quiet meadow, lived a little bunny named Benny. He had soft white fur, big floppy ears, and the kindest heart. But Benny was very poor. He didn't have a warm burrow like the other bunnies, or even enough carrots to eat. Every day, Benny watched the other bunnies play and laugh while he sat under an old tree, nibbling on wild grass. One chilly morning, Benny found a tiny bluebird shivering on the ground. "Oh no! You're cold and hurt," said Benny gently. He wrapped the bird in a leaf blanket and cuddled it close. "Thank you," chirped the bird. "You're so kind." The next day, Benny saw an old squirrel struggling to carry acorns. "Let me help you," Benny offered. The squirrel smiled and said, "You may be poor, little bunny, but your heart is full of gold." That night, as Benny returned to his spot under the tree, something magical happened. The bluebird flew down with a sparkling acorn in its beak. The squirrel came too, with nuts and berries. Soon, animals from all over the forest came, each bringing a gift, a warm blanket of leaves, sweet fruits, and even helped building Benny a cozy burrow. Benny's eyes sparkled with tears. "I may be a poor little bunny," he said, "but now I'm the richest of all, with friends."